Hi, how are you? My name's Edward Plant and I'm one of the founders of the Business League. We've got you booked in for our breakfast on Wednesday the 3rd of October. Really looking forward to welcoming you. The Business League is turning 10 on that day. So it's a really big morning for us. We're super excited about everything that's going on. On the weekend just gone in the Gold Coast Bully, we had a quick article on us in the Busy Bits section on our 10th birthday, so check it out there if you're interested. Otherwise, on the morning we've got a great lineup. My founder and wife is presenting and going to be talking about behind the Business League and the journey to date of what has her involvement in it, how she's led it, and what we've achieved as a result of that. There'll be heaps of networking. We're looking at a huge crowd and we'll probably actually sell out. So well done on getting your tickets, and we look forward to seeing you on Wednesday the 3rd of October. There'll be maps sent in this email for you to find your way to the University Club. The doors open at 6:30, we kick off at 7 o'clock sharp and we'll be finished by 9 o'clock. Please come and say g'day. I'd love to meet you and look forward to having a great morning there. Come ready to meet a heap of quality business owners. A lot of them are our members, and bring your business cards and let us know if there's anything we can help you with, and we'll chat to you then.